my fantastic friends. I'm so thrilled to talk to you because guess what? I've just reached the top of my incredible winter hike. It was a bit challenging and I'm pretty tired, but it was totally worth it. The views up here are absolutely breathtaking. And I'm also very happy because guess again, I didn't get sick. Great. Oh, look, wait a second, my phone. Oh, there's a message. Yes, it's from my friend Lucas. Okay, he's planning to do the same hike tomorrow. And he's asking me for some tips on how to not get sick during the journey. He's asking, what should I do not to get sick? Okay, you want me to share with you my ideas? You should wear thick and warm clothes, but oh, wait, let's correct that. There's a mistake, yes? Okay, thick, it's like this, Thick, yes. You should drink warm water. Oh, sorry, my fingers just slipped and I got cold instead of warm. No, my bad, sorry. Okay, and what else? You shouldn't take off your clothes. Oh wow, hey, the lights went out. I can't see the words. This is slowing me a bit. Let me just remember how to spell shouldn't. SHOULDN''T. Okay. Phew! Oh, the lights are back now. Yeah. I got it right. All set. I wish you, Lucas, all the best and hope you have an incredible time on tomorrow's hike.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so here we are and still learning with this modal verb should. Okay, should is something that is recommended. Recommendable to be done. Okay, and we need to write in here should. Yep. So let's find the mistakes within the text and rewrite it. To not get sick during the winter hike. Should is not like this. It's should. We miss an U. We're thick, thick. Means misses an H, and warm misses an R. You shouldn't, it's not okay, shouldn't drink cold water, not good, cold water. And you should take off your clothes. You shouldn't, because it's winter, so it's shouldn't. Should not. So now let's rewrite this text in here, and I will use the pink color. To not get sick during the winter hike. You should wear thick and warm clothes. You shouldn't drink cold water, and you should take off your clothes. And this is it. Very well done. Remember, should, something recommended or recommendable to be done.